Hello viewers, Q and VS here with a new computer build for, can't remember the month here, April 2012. First we're going to start off with the PSU. You remember this PSU because I am using it in my computer. You remember it from my previous videos. It is the Roseville Green Series 430, 430 watt continuous power, strong 12 volt rail. I believe so because I'm still using it. Here are the specs right here. I think it's a really reliable power supply. I even overclocked on it with no problems. Here are some pictures of the device, of the power supply. And what I love about it is it's black. It matches my case. Even the cables are threaded black. So it helps blend in, helps with the blending of, of your black motherboard or black case or whatever. I'm clicking faster than the pictures can load, but you sort of get the point on how this power supply is going to look. Alright, there's the PSU. Very reliable. Our motherboard, an Asus, I was going to say an ASRock, but an Asus M5A78L-MLX Plus. The plus means, here. It is an AMD Plus socket, but on the 760G chipset, which is fairly old. Here's the specs right here. And I've never used an Asus board. I have an ASRock board in mind. You know, ASRock is the sub vendor, I guess, of Asus or what have you. I don't know, but I know they're from Asus. It is a micro ATX board. Has a turbo key, anti-surge protection, which is pretty nice, and it can support CPUs up to 125 watts. That's the board. Show you some pictures of it. Give it a nice little spin. So basically, you know what the board looks like. So that's the motherboard. Here's the RAM. G-Skill value memory, that's what it's called, G-Skill value. But don't let the value get you. If you watch Max Arcade's videos, he says G-Skill memory. It's really nice. I hate when that happens. G-Skill memory is really nice, very high quality, and really good for the price. And because this is just going to be a basic system, I didn't want to get generic memory, but I did want to get memory that was going to be somewhat responsive and didn't lag. Cache latencies are 99924, I think, just like mine, and I have Crucial Ballistics memory. Not to show you what memory looks like, but there it is. No heat spreaders on them though. So that is the RAM. Now we're going to go to eBay for this one. This is an AMD Athlon, if I can bring the page up here. This is an AMD Athlon. I had the 250, this is the 260. So AMD Athlon 2 X2 dual core 260 processor, clocked at 3.2 gigahertz. Best thing I like about the Athlon 2, it's very, very, very overclockable. Okay, my Phantom, I can't overclock it. It's got turbo. I disabled turbo. I can't overclock it. And this is new in the retail box, guys, so I'm paying about $71 new in the retail. Now, I could get it cheaper from Newegg. Well, I could, but not anymore. They don't even sell this anymore. I went to go look for it. They don't even sell it anymore. So, that's why I'm getting it from eBay, and I will hope that it will work. And if it doesn't, this guy does have a return policy, as you can see right here. And AM3 socket, of course. No need to give her an FX because she's going to be using this computer for basic things. So Athlon 2 X2 will do just fine. So that is the processor. Very good from AMD. Last but not least, I guess. Oh yeah, I'll show you the case. But here's the hard drive. Nothing really special. You know, there's the specs right there. It's a freaking hard drive. It is SATA 2. So yeah, it's a hard drive, guys, not an SSD. You know, 7,200 RPMs. That's good enough. You know, for whatever. But yeah, those are the components that are going to be inside the system. The case I will show you in just a moment. This entire build looks like it's going to be about $239. And guys, if you want to go build a system yourself, and you want to spend about $50 or $60 on GPU, go ahead, because the GPU will allow you to do gaming. The Athlon 2 is a good CPU for gaming. It may not be the top of the line, but you overclock it a little bit, you can play GTA with no problem, as long as you got a nice GPU. And if you are using the same GPU I got, which was an $80 GPU without the rebate, you can get about 30 to 45 frames on GTA 4. Now the reason why I'm saying GTA 4, because we all know that that game is very tasking on your CPU and GPU. So yeah. Okay, how to get that off that thing. Alright, so here's the components. Let me go show you the case. And here's the case. It is a Gigabyte case. Everybody knows that Gigabyte makes the real cheap cases. It's already ready. Oh my gosh, ain't I lucky. Here's the Athlon 2 sticker that it's going to have, and the ATI Radeon graphics logo that I got from the internet. Yeah, I brought it from the internet. It was like $1. You got your CD drive, and the best thing about it is if your CD drive is like not matching the case, this covers it up, so when the drive comes out, it bumps this down. So that was one of the unique things about this case. And other than that, got your power button. Your power LED works, but your hard drive LED doesn't work, but they don't need that. As long as the darn thing powers on. You actually have to take screws off to get to it, but I'm not going to show that. I'll just stick the camera inside. It's kind of dark. But you see you got your vent holes over here. You can see my hand. And you even have this fan duct. So that was kind of senseless, but there's already a fan in here that I installed when I owned this case. I already took out some PCI brackets. I need to replace those. Other than that, I don't even think I want to give this case to them. I mean, sell this case to them, because it's such a simple case that no need to. So that's going to be the case. I think it's a nice case for a starter, but this case right here, this is a good case. Very, very, very nice. So that's the case right there. You saw the parts on my computer. Uh-oh. I think I was trying to buy something and it didn't work out. But here's the case. You saw the components on my computer. Stay tuned for that computer build. Thanks for watching the Quadro NVS. Thank you for watching this Quadro NVS video. If you have any questions, please leave your comments below, and I will see you guys later. Today's QNVS deal of the day is Crysis 2 digital download only for this price and this price only, less than $10, $7.49. You're saving $22.50. That's 75% off. Why don't you go ahead and pick you up a copy, or download you up a copy, excuse me, because I already downloaded mine, or it's actually downloading right now.